Okay, so right now we're going to do a setup for an Adrena file. So we'll go to make a new race. We'll call this Adrena 4. And then the default is Expedition, but we're going to help it out in the Adrena format. So we'll click Adrena format, and the log directory will need to tell where our Adrena log files are. Adrena log files are in this folder that we've called Adrena log files. We'll select that folder. And then I have some gribs that are paired up with the Adrena format that cover the same time. And we've mapped that correctly. This boat is at a 15-meter mast height, and Adrena is always in true. That's the standard format. Now, this is very important what we're going to go over for the Adrena log file format. When Adrena makes its log files, we have to relabel them as a .adrena.txt. So we took the original Adrena log file format, we opened it up in Excel, and we saved it with a .adrena.txt, and that gave us the text document format, okay? And that's what Model Accuracy will look at because Adrena uses some semicolon separated value files. This is how we're going to turn Adrena log files into a format that Model Accuracy can view, okay? So we are mapped, we've got true, we don't need to log data, smooth anything, 15 meters, and we'll click prepare. It's going to find that boat data in the format that we created within our file. It's going to prepare it, and then it's going to give us some recommended times here. We can see the computer's thinking, and it's just going to review that data, format it correctly, and then we're going to go back in, and these other errors are not applicable to what we're doing. It's saying there's no barometric log data. So there's no barometric log data in that log file format. These other errors up here were from previous runs not associated with this. So we'll dismiss that error. We can say, okay, there's no barometric pressure. We're all right with that. And then we're going to go into the log file. And I'm just going to show you what was created. So this is what we started with. And then Model Accuracy created this comma-separated value file, which is what Model Accuracy really likes. Model Accuracy started out on Expedition, so we basically had to turn an Adrena log file into an Expedition log file format. And then this is the file that Model Accuracy will actually use for its analysis because it turned that file into a pure comma-separated value file. And then everything else down in the analysis settings is all the same. We would go true wind speed, true wind direction, all grib run. We would grab those times there, and we'd save and use our plots. That is an Adrena format.